diys-by-dar, and this is the thrift store painting Halloween flip, hosted by the Flippin Bunch, which I am a part of that group. So this old vintage painting I purchased for $3.99 from Goodwill, really a beat up old frame, which I kept it that way for the picture. I had to repair a lot of little dings and scratches on the front, but now I am ready to go. I had a series of little Halloween stencils, and I thought that was a good place to start. So I kind of mapped out some different areas where I thought things might look great. So I started with some pumpkins down here in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and start to paint these little figures in. I used some chalk paint, some Posca pens, and also some acrylic colors if I didn't quite have the color that I needed. Now, I thought it would be kind of nice to maybe have some caskets in the background of this window, and I did change the name. It was J.C. Hurst and Sons, and I changed it to J.C. Hurst and Sons. And I got the little caskets painted in with their crosses up there on the top, and then I looked at these pumpkins. What's wrong with them? They don't have any noses. I did get my little ghosts painted in, and I have some mica powder in holographic and some Liquitex acrylic medium. I'm going to mix these two up until I get like a paint consistency, and I'm going to go ahead and paint these ghosts in, and they're still translucent, and they have a little bit of a shimmer to them. So that worked out pretty good. I'm going to continue and put some more little characters in here, some more bats, and there we have it. I think this picture is complete. One other step, glow-in-the-dark powder. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to mix this up with some of the Liquitex acrylic medium, and you could get this in matte and gloss, and mix that to a paint type consistency. And I'm going to go ahead and paint in some eyes, paint in some other areas. So when the lights go out, this will have a little bit of a glowing effect. There we have it. We will have to see how this checks out when the lights turn out. Now, I have a HMI 515 point setter for paintings, pictures, and my matte size fit perfectly in the back of this frame. It's solid wood, so you just hold it up next to the frame and squeeze almost like a stapler. And you will get a nice little metal point that is going to go in that wooden frame and hold everything in nice and tight. Everything's looking good. I'm satisfied with this, and the beat up frame looks good, and here it is. Here comes the fun part, and it looks pretty cool. I'm really liking it. I can see a grandma having this picture, and when the lights go out, kids just being fascinated with it. So I want to take and thank the Flippin Bunch for the thrift store painting Halloween flip. And next weekend, we've got the Eco Challenge hosted by Mara from Borderline Furniture RX. And I want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.